So, how everything is going? All ready for the new chapter?
Actually, I wanted to talk about that only.
Nice.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Sorry, I'm caught up in some work. Can we talk later?
Ma'am, this is important. I don't know what to do. Please, help me with this.
How can I help you?
So many things are happening at once. I'm not able to cope up. I feel I'm falling short.
Don't worry too much. You are our good student. You will have good time at college.
I am thinking of taking a drop.
Yash, we have already discussed this.
But why do you think this is a bad idea?
See, taking drop isn't necessarily the best idea. College doesn't define your worth. Remember, your journey doesn't end here. Sometimes life doesn't go according to your plan. And that's okay. When one door closes, another one opens. There are many universities out there that will be great fit for you. Don't close yourself to new opportunities.
Just scared that I will be behind everyone else if I don't go to my dream college.
It's not about where you go, but what you experience.
But I am not sure that any of these will live up to my expectations.
You want me to say what you want to hear, but that's not possible. I understand your hesitation, but sometimes unexpected opportunities can lead to extraordinary outcomes. I know you wanted more, but I want you to think about this.